Yeah. like a unicorn, man. He's a really good kid.